Hello, Festival de Cine de Terror de Molins de Rey. This is Scott Schirmer, Director of Found, and I have been notified that we have been selected for Best Feature at the festival this year. And all I can say is that for a festival that has been around for so long and that looks so fun and cool, I've seen the pictures on Facebook and the internet of the theater and how amazing it looks, and the audience and what great horror fans that you look to be. I wish I could be there because I know I would have had a great time as well. But I also just wanted to say that I made Found because I loved it. I didn't think while I was making it about what other people would think, but when it was done, then I began to panic, worried that maybe people wouldn't like it. I knew that I liked it, but I didn't know if anyone else would like it. And over the course of the last year, I've discovered that there are a lot of people who like it, but every time it shows somewhere, and this was our very first showing in Spain, I worry a little bit about how it might go over. So to hear that it's not only been selected to play at Terror Molins, but it's also Best Feature is it's the best news I've heard all weekend, all week, all month. Thank you so much. Thank you to everyone that works behind the scenes at the festival, who selected Found and exhibited it this weekend, and thank you to everyone who went to see Found, and to everyone who goes to support this festival. I saw how many years this festival's been running, and I think that's commendable, so keep it going, guys. Keep supporting indie horror, keep supporting good horror, and keep supporting festivals that showcase the best of both worlds. Thank you so much.